Welcome to Bucharest, Charlie. So, you've just arrived and you have some luggage with you. No, I mean real luggage. Now, how do you get out of this airport? Well, let's see. Your first instinct says taxi, right? I wouldn't do that if I were you. At least not at the airport. Go back inside where you can safely get a fair-priced taxi. Take the ticket and make sure you get in the right car. Another way is 783 Express line, which stops on the ground floor. Get your ticket from the ticket office or machine. You can pay with cash or by card. Bus and subway combo is also available. What's wrong? You don't feel like taking the bus? Very well. You could also call a Cleva, Bolt, Uber or Yango. They'll get in touch to advise you about the meeting spot. Easy, right? These were some of the best transport options for getting out of the airport safely, comfortably and in style. So, you checked in, took a shower, and now you're ready to explore the city. Well, public transport is a good option. You can use Move It app or Google Maps, so you should be good. You can buy an STB card at the ticket office or pay through SMS. Couples or groups should press plus and then validate the card again for each person. One of the best and fastest ways to travel larger distances is the subway. Group tickets are available for up to 5 people. The map is quite simple because there aren't so many stops. For shorter distances, rent an electric scooter. They're fun and you also get different options: Flow, Lime, Wolfie. Charlie, if you're tired of being alone, you can always get lost with a host. Join a tour with a local host to see the hidden side of Bucharest and meet a bunch of great people along the way.